How would we set up a canonical URLs?
So to set up a canonical URL, it really depends on how your site is, where your site is hosted, and whether that hosting platform requires any sort of plugin to be able to set the canonical. So for example, if you have your site through WordPress, WordPress often requires a plugin. One example of that is using Yoast. Yoast is a major plugin that they use that just allows you to easily manage your on-page SEO, such as metadata, canonical URLs, and you'll be able to see your primary keywords on there as well. But other platforms such as Wix, they'll have a built-in feature where you'll be able to set your canonical URL or review your canonical URLs. And there's always alternative options for setting up these canonicals. So one example is redirecting all of your variants to that canonical URL. That's going to make it really easy to determine which one is the priority URL. Another one is that canonical link. So if you have PDF pages or any other non-HTML pages, you'll be able to add that to your HTTP header.
Yeah, absolutely. And if anyone who's listening has any questions regarding their unique website or platform that they're on, definitely feel free to drop a chat or contact us directly. But there's a few ways of going about it. Yoast is probably one of the easiest ones through WordPress, but Yoast isn't accessible with all web platforms. So definitely feel free to reach out. But most importantly is that you do set canonicals. If you do have some level of duplicate content, you need to send the correct signals over to Google.